Miska,
What are you gonna have?
Muska,
One of these, Billy?
Misky Mouse. I'll have two.
Really?
Yeah. CKEY MOUSE It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Come inside, it's fun inside. MOUSE.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to our clubhouse. Do you like to play dress-up?
Wonderful! Because today we're having a masquerade ball. That's a party where we dress up in costumes and have a big show.
And everybody's gonna get a special prize ribbon at the show. So you can pretend to wear your own costume, too.
Oh,